had and in her hair. So it's really, really good. It's also growing her hair pretty good, pretty nice. Okay, it's strengthening her hair a lot, which I really, really love. And yeah, just spray this liquid into your kids' hair or your hair, and make sure to put some stuff. Okay, if you want to spray it in the evening before you go to bed, make sure to put some towel in their pillow, because this liquid can really stain your clothes. And try and use some clothes that you know that you don't use to spray the liquids. Bear that in mind, okay? It can really, really stain your clothes. Okay, so yeah, just spray it into her hair, into your hair, massage the liquid into your hair, and you can style your hair as usual, and you are ready to go. It's a liquid that you don't have to rinse out. You can just spray it in your hair if you feel like your hair is dry, or you want to just, you know, dress your hair to go outside. Just spray the liquid into your hair, and don't even worry about the smell, because it smells so good. Okay, I don't even know if anybody will get close to you and they are gonna be like, the smell of clove is really, really amazing. It's not gonna drive people away when they are close to you. So it's really nice. Okay, spray this into your hair, and leave your hair to grow, and it's gonna grow your hair. Okay, my baby girl's growing up, she also didn't have a lot of hair. She was really bald, to be honest. So now her hair is growing, because I do use all this homemade DIY stuff that I use, that I share here in my channel. I do use all of them into her hair as well. So her hair has grown pretty good, thick, and really, really nice, shine. Like, I use all this oil that I made by myself, and all the hair butter, and you know, everything that you see me using in my hair, I do put it in her hair as well. So these DIYs are really, really happy my baby girl's hair to grow. So I decided to just share with you guys, and hope you guys like and enjoy this video. I know you all already know a lot about cloves, so it's nothing new for you guys, but you know, I just wanted to share how I use it for my baby girl's hair. You can actually use it for your kids' hair. It's not going to cause any damage to their scalp. It's just going to help them to reduce the dryness and the itchy scalp. And yeah, so yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys watched to this extent, if you're watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe. Leave your comment below if you have tried this hairspray, and tell me what you think.